two Excel functions that have long been helpful in extracting data are called left and right, and the terms almost define themselves. Sometimes we want to pull data from the left side of a cell, sometimes from the right. And the new flash fill feature in Excel 2013, in some cases, will negate the need for these. But let's look at some of the data that we see here. For example, in column A. If you haven't seen flash fill, here's a quick example of it. I only want to get the last names out of here. So I'll type Baker and press enter. And now I'll type the H for Hansen, and look what happens. Flash fill automatically senses what I'm trying to get at here, and I'll simply press enter, and we've got all the last names. Now, we could have used the function called left in combination with a function called find. Find would tell us where the comma is, and then based on that, we could pull data out of the left-hand side. But we don't need the left function anymore because of this new capability. You can't always use it, though, and for example, the data in column D, even though it says code numbers, those might be real values, too. It looks like they're put in as numbers. If I type a 26 here, and I'm hoping to pull out two characters from the left-hand side, now I'll type 26 again for the next cell, and it's not because it's the same, but that just doesn't work. In other words, it's not picking up what I'm trying to do, and that is pick up two characters from the left edge. Maybe these code numbers were constructed in such a way that the two leftmost characters are meaningful, and I need to get to them. So I'll simply use the function equal left. Looking in cell D2, comma 2. I want two characters from the left-hand side. Of course, it could be 3 or 4 or any other relevant number, and we'll simply copy this down the column here, and it takes care of all the entries that we've got there. We're pulling out the two leftmost characters by using the function called left. And similarly, we can do the same thing with right. Ideally, the data in column F should be in 3 separate columns, city, state, zip. But let's say we don't really need that, but we do need the zip code. And you can see that in all cases here, it's the 5 rightmost characters. Equal right, left parenthesis here, from cell F2, comma 5. We simply want to extract the zip code. There it is. Double click, we've got the zip codes for all the others as well. So pulling data from the left side of the cell or the right side of the cell is easily achieved with these two functions called left and right.